Man, all boats of Minecraft PE are so slow. Even in this. Look, they vibrate and all this stuff. I hate this. Wow, this sucks. I hate this. Oh, what's this? I'm just kidding. This is normal intro. Hey guys, this is how to make boats go faster in Minecraft PE. Now, I think the problem was while I was testing it that they need more redstone. Just put more. You just put more, and yeah, it should be able to work pretty good. All you really need to do is just keep on adding, like, just keep on adding. So yeah. Let me just get straight with it. I learned how to do this while I was building something, and it really looks strange to me, in fact. So let's just see how it goes fast. It's like on ice, probably. Except it doesn't work with ice, but you know, see how it's going really fast? So yeah, thanks for watching this tutorial. Hope it helped. I mean, like, I know it would help for me, like adventure maps. So, you know, if you would subscribe, that would be really awesome. And I'll see you guys later. Goodbye. And also, one more thing.